What is going up, everybody? I hope everybody's having a great day today. We're going to be doing our midday market recap here. So I did take one trade on BLNK. Let's just talk about it. All right, so let's go one screen. It was BLNK, and I took 1,000 shares. This thing just caught fire. I did the gap and go strategy. It was gapping up only roughly, we can actually see it wasn't gapping up a whole lot from yesterday. That it wasn't my top choice, but let's just see what happens. So it was only gapping up roughly 11%, so it really wasn't, a big move at all. But so what happened was this thing just exploded and continued to rally up, and I missed the huge first move here. And as we got into this this little pullback area, I went in. Let's see where I went in. So let's go trade. Let's go trades. All right, so I got in at 272. So I got in on the push back up here, and I got out at 282 right here. So I had this full move right here, and it was literally less than 1 minute, and I made a total of $100. So it was just a fantastic trade. What really set this one apart was it hit multiple scanners here. So let's see. So at 9:30, I had the high of day scanner come up. That's when it started to push back up, and I didn't want to hop into this because I knew if I hopped in, I would be chasing, and I just didn't want to put myself in that kind of situation. So I decided I'm gonna wait for a pullback, and if it still has some momentum, we're gonna hop in. So hopped in. I saw this candle, looked good, and then here we got this huge buying pressure. So I hopped in at 272, and I set my stops right below this candle right here. So 272, where is it? 272 right here. So roughly 2.3% was my stop, and my max profit was roughly 4%. So it was a decent, 1 to 2 risk to reward trade. So it was pretty solid. One thing that I would have done is wait for some sort of pullback. I did sell a little too early because I am doing the small account challenge, so I just wanted to take the profits, and you never lose money taking profits, guys. So that's one thing you gotta understand. But yeah, so that's it though. Just one trade, very basic. It hit the high of day scanner, right here. Then it hit the which one is this? Breaking out on volume. So I knew this had a lot of shares coming in. I knew there was a lot of people checking it out, and as you guys can see, it just took off like crazy and really just rallied up. And then in some other top stocks was BOSC, made a good move. Went from 228, hit a high of 310. It was pretty much just a pump and dump setup. I thought this one was gonna move, but it really didn't. It went up 34% in the matter of 3 minutes. So obviously this had a lot of volume and a lot of buying pressure too. Another big mover was MBOT. This stock has been really crazy lately. MBOT. All right, so this one we had this huge sell-off right here, and I knew if it broke over 973, it had gap to fill, but it looked like it used that as some sort of selling pressure. That's when a lot more sellers got in. That's why we had this huge pump down. But yeah, you could have done the gap and go on this one as well, but it really wasn't gapping up a whole lot. It was only gapping up roughly 6%. So, you know, it could have been a decent trade. Wait for some sort of pullback here, hop out. You know, it was decent trades. You know, with the market is being like it is, you know, this is just a time to take smart trades, get in and out, because you know there really hasn't been, other than MBOT last week, there hasn't been stocks really moving. You know, stocks going from, you know, $2 to $5. We're just getting these probably 30 or 40 cent breakouts. So it's smart to just look for 10 or, you know, 10 cents, 20 cents. You can always buy in. I always like to take my profits early. That's just me. But yeah, so that's it though. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned something. And if you did, please sure to leave a big like on this video. So that's it though. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive, and I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of the week. Take care, everyone. Oh, and tomorrow, join me live, you know, 8:30 a.m. Trade idea scanner will be up, so you guys can get that for free. And it retails at $120, and you guys are getting it for free. So, you know, you guys can always check it out. Yeah, so that's it though. Take care, everyone.